guys, it is day 2 of our Lake Siskiyou camping trip, and we are out here on the water again. It's like 5:30, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. See if we can get some big trout again. I don't know if they're gonna bite because they were feeding so much last night, but maybe there's a couple hungry ones left that didn't get to eat last night. It's absolutely beautiful out here. You can see Shasta right there, absolutely covered in snow and covered by the clouds. Beautiful morning. Hopefully the wind doesn't accelerate and get crazy. Hopefully it stays pretty calm out here, but either way, it's a beautiful morning. I'm not seeing them surface much out there. We have our net this time. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, oh, I just saw one surface right out there. If you remember yesterday, there was a thick layer of fog over the lake. Now there's absolutely nothing. It's like 10 degrees warmer today. Might have an effect on the fishing. I don't know, but we are going to probably cast out our black rooster tail and then roll. Well guys, it's about 6:10 and no fish yet, but what Lake Siskiyou lacks in fish consistency and makes up in beauty. Look at what's behind me. Isn't that gorgeous? Man. Anyway, no fish yet, but we're gonna keep at it. Let's see the fish. Is it bigger?
Brown trout though.
A brown trout?
Yeah, that's what I was yelling at you for.
Are you serious?
Serious. Look at him. Brown trout.
Oh my gosh! It is a brown trout.
Yeah. Should we keep them?
I don't know. Dude.
Beautiful fish though, huh?
Oh, I've always wanted to catch a brown trout.
Little Cleo, dude, right here. Way the heck out there though.
Guys, check it out. It's a brown trout. That's your first brown trout, isn't it?
First brown trout ever.
That's a nice one too.
Yep.
I think we could keep him. Brown trout have more red meat than rainbows.
Do they?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep them.
All right.
We'll cook them up.
Wow, first brown trout on the channel. First brown trout of for you and anybody.
Pretty cool.
All right, show it off.
First brown trout ever, man.
That's a good one.
Out of Lake Siskiyou.
How pretty, man.
Yeah, look at the coloration.
He's got, he doesn't have a lot of red spots, but put him a little closer to the camera.
I don't want to drop him.
He won't. Very pretty brown trout.
Red spots on this side.
This side?
Yep.
Oh yeah, a couple. That's a beautiful brown trout, man. I have never caught a brown trout, neither has Dad, so this is his first one. I'd love to catch one. So
trolling with the little Cleo silver.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Beautiful. He's already out. We're gonna keep him. And brown trout, I've heard, have really, really good meat. So, yeah.
All right. Thank you, Lord. Awesome fish.
First fish of the morning. So, guys, in case you didn't see Dad's brown trout very well, here's a closer look at it. He has one red spot right there, and that's it. Very nice one. Very heavy. I think he's full of eggs or something. I feel something moving around in his stomach, but absolutely monster brown. First brown trout for Dad. Awesome fish. Super slimy. It's about 7 o'clock, so we're gonna head back and then make some breakfast. Uncle Ben didn't come because was sleeping in, and he stayed up till 1 o'clock last night, so that's his fault. Just kidding. Anyway, beautiful morning out here, but no fish for me, but that's all right. Alright guys, I'm going to fillet this brown trout for Dad with my new sharp knife. Alright guys, we finished breakfast, at the lake. Now, as you can see, we're going biking again. We got Uncle Ben, Ethan, and Dad. We're gonna go fishing at the bridge that you saw, pedestrian bridge. We're gonna go on that island, maybe swim, fish, hopefully catch a trout. So, we gotta switch you guys. I'm gonna switch you guys over to the GoPro, and then let's get this bike ride started. Alright guys, we're on the trail. We got like maybe 2 or 3 miles to get to the bridge. Guys, look at Shasta. Wow. All right, guys, we're stopped and do a little maintenance for Uncle Ben's bike. Is back tire or front tire? Back tire. The tube failed, so put a new tube in it, and now we're gonna pump it up.
We had a good call to change the tube.
That looks. You could put it back on there. We're right by the dam, right there, and the gorge is on the other side, and the bridge is right here. It's in the distance that way. You can't see it. It's through the trees, but we're almost there. So once we finish pump that up, then we're gonna be back on the road. All right, guys, we're almost to the bridge, I think. Gotta be so close. We made it. Here we are. Now we can start fishing. Let's see if there's any trout right here.
Are we gonna walk across or what? How deep is it right there?
It's pretty deep.
Do you want to get out to the island?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my my stuff off so we can go swimming. I am going in the water now. Oh boy. Yeah, polar plunge.
That's not too deep.
I like pain.
Not too deep, man.
No, it's like, it's up to my waist. He went over there. Uncle Ben went over there. All right, tell him what just happened.
All right, well, I was over here. Show you. It's over there on the rocks, fishing. You can see the big old dust cloud there in the water.
Mm-hmm.
Two, I was standing on one big rock like this. All of a sudden, I lost my balance and I was going down. The rock just gave way, and here I am on the rock, and it just went like this. I went down, the rock came tumbling after me, and all I could do was just kick my feet out so that the rock wouldn't land on me and pin me down. And I got that.
Got some battle scars, man.
Smashed my finger. Finger's fine though, I think.
Yeah, you're moving it.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Got my coffee dose for the afternoon.
Film the size of the rock right there.
yeah, it's just, I'm gonna be careful because this is pretty sketchy. Yeah, so Uncle Ben fell. See these rocks right here? 2 of them gave way. They're down there. I'll zoom in. Those 2 came down almost on top of him. It could have snapped your leg, man.
That could have snapped my leg.
Yeah, easily.
That was my biggest fear, is to snap my leg.
Yeah.
I was like, I asked you.
Well, praise God, you're all right.
Think you can pedal back?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
It might start to hurt more. Yeah.
Maybe. Adrenaline. Talk about
Yeah.
adrenaline.
Yeah, look at smash that up.
It's still twisted.
Yeah, broke his reel. Smashed it, didn't have a handle. That's gone. Is there a way to get up on this island? Yeah. I'm gonna fish around a little bit. Look at that rock right there. See how clear the water is? I'm gonna stick you guys under the water. There's a helicopter flying right above us. Wow. We got 1 mile left out of the 7 miles. We've gone around this lake left and right. New territory. This is not the area where we crossed the creek. This is the actual trail that we didn't know was here. So hopefully there's no difficulty up ahead. What happened? We get to cross the river? Yay!
Remember we walked down this way?
I know, it was right here.
This is it. It goes over there and disappears. Actually, you can see it on the other side. When they go across the deep spot, first by myself.
Okay.
Not in that deep, dude.
Right
Go
there.
ahead, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, we're gonna put a barrier. You guys walk on this side and use the bikes to walk against.
Walk behind us.
Yes. No, use the bike as a barrier.
We're like a break.
Go ahead, go this way.
It's not too bad. Oh no, it's not bad. Ugh.
Oh, wait, change. Whoa.
Oh no. Oh no! There goes the water bottle.
She goes.
We made it. What a ride, man. All right, guys, a little bit of an update. It's dinner time, and we are gonna fry the trout in, what is the seasoning here?
We got some butter, salt, pepper, and then we bought this at the store.
Hopefully that'll be good. We're making our own pizzas tonight too, but the trout is a side dish. This is
Let's let this melt a little bit.
my trout, and then
A little bit
Dad's
more,
trout,
and then we're
and
ready to
Dad's
go.
brown trout. Trout number 2. Oh, it's kind of stiff.
Got different coloration. We got like
Yeah,
three
look at
different
that.
colorations here.
Spots and no spots. That's a full pan of trout.
Yeah, 3 different trout. I don't know what this kind is. This is.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, but the discoloration is totally different.
It's a rainbow. 2 rainbows and a brown. Look at that, guys.
A little messy. It'll be good.
Yeah. The middle one, the big one that Dad caught, the deformed one, is white, and the brown and my rainbow are orange, which is weird. It's not a kokanee. I think it's definitely a rainbow. Delish. Got my pizza, guys, with leftover bratwursts on it. Alright, guys, we're making some trout tacos. I have my rainbow trout taco right here. It's good. Be good with some avocado.
Why? Because they really like snow.
Well, guys, that kind of wraps up our day 2 of Lake Siskiyou camping trip. We're just gonna sit by the fire and enjoy our last bits of time with our family. Tomorrow we are leaving, going home. Sad, but we had a absolute blast on this camping trip. So I'm gonna do the outro tomorrow, but I'm gonna go by the fire and spend the last moments with our family before they take off tomorrow, because they gotta leave early and they got a 5-hour drive instead of we got a 2-hour drive. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this camping trip so far. I certainly have. Yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, guys. Some of us are up. It is, I think, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We're packing up. Slowly but surely, we still got the rods, and got to get the kayaks from down by the lake. We left them down there. We got a bunch to do before we're ready to head out. Well, guys, we are now home. The trailer is now unhooked back where it's supposed to go. The cars are now over there. Yeah, it's been a while since I last turned the camera on, just because I've been so exhausted and yeah, so tired. Anyway, that is gonna wrap it up for this camping trip. This is something I look forward to every year. Our family camping trips, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had the GoPro this trip, so I think the quality was much better. What do you guys think? If you guys think so, leave a like on this video. Also hit subscribe, and really quick, thank you guys so much for we just reached 10,000 total views on the channel, and that is all thanks to you guys for watching the videos. Appreciate you guys. So anyway, I really had a blast catching the my PB rainbow. My dad caught his first ever brown trout. That was like the best trout fishing as far as quality goes that we've had in a long time. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching these 2 videos, and if you haven't seen part 1, go up in the corner and check it out. But anyway, make sure to click subscribe and also hit the like button. But anyway, I will see you all in the next one. Make sure to catch them like a pro, and I will see you all in the next video.